So today I'm going to show you how to do the Google Sheet, how to translate. So you just click on here and type sheet new, hit enter, it will open a new sheet for you. You can change the name and you can star that file. So the file has columns listed as A, B, C letters, and then has rows or lines has 1, 2, 3 numbers. So the first one square here is called the cell. So you name the cell by the letter and the number. So it will be A1 and the name will be here. So this will be B2 and C2 and etc. So if I want to translate the colors, so I'm gonna just type here colors, and then down here I'll put some other colors like red, blue, yellow, green. Here I'm gonna translate into Spanish, so I'll put the Spanish word, and then I will write this equation here. It's equal Google Translate, comma A2, which is this first color, red, and then I'll put English and Spanish is with the abbreviation ENES. So, and I'm gonna just put them between parentheses and Spanish, and then run this or press enter, and it will translate this. To copy and paste, you can use this small square here and click it and drag, or you can use edit. So you can use different ways. If I want to translate into Arabic, for instance, I'm going to use the same equation here. So I'll just copy equal Google Translate between parentheses, the cell, the language, the first language and the second language, then hit enter. So but I want not from the Spanish, I want from the English. So instead of B1, B2, I will refer to A2. So I'm going to just fix this, and it will come as Ahmar or red, and then copy paste all this, and it will come to all of them. So this will be A3, this will be A4, this will be A5. If I want to add another gold, for instance, I want to copy and paste, and then copy and paste. If I want pink, then if I can just highlight both of them, click down, it will load both of them. If I want to green, so I'll just copy these, and it will remind it. This is how you translate from English to Spanish or to Arabic in Google Sheet, and you can rename this